This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles S. Feldman. Wonderful 1-bedroom 1-bathroom condo in desirable community of ORIOLE Golf and Tennis. Easy access to elevator, stairs, laundry and storage areas from unit. Very close to the main clubhouse, just steps away to adjacent building. Kitchen has wood cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Newer luxury vinyl flooring in main living areas. Neutral tiled flooring in kitchen and bathrooms. Well maintained, spacious and clean throughout the unit. Large walk-in closet in prime bedroom. Large den which can become a second bedroom if needed. Enjoy all the amenities of ORIOLE Golf and Tennis. Fabulous clubhouse and pool. Close to shopping, restaurants, major roads and highways. Easy to show. All furniture can be included in sale if interested. For more information, review the details below.